A negative thought enters the mind, and before we realize it, we're inside the loop. We replay it, we interact with it, we imagine it. And the longer attention is trapped there, the more powerful it becomes. At first, it may only be a fear, an insecurity, an urge, or an angry memory. But if the loop continues, the thought can grow into destructive urges, fearful thinking, harmful thoughts, sexual thoughts, a repetitive inner narration that begins shaping your life. That's why interruption matters before the thought expands, before it takes hold, before it begins to quietly control you. How do you interrupt the pattern? Change environments. Read. Train. Create. But two things are especially helpful at breaking the loop. Focus deeply on the inhalation and the exhalation of breath, or expand your awareness completely. Focus on everything you feel, everything you hear, everything you see at the same time. Why does this work? Because destructive loops survive by trapping awareness inside repetitive mental loops. But when awareness is fully engaged in breath, sensation, sound, and sight, the fixation weakens. The nervous system begins calming. The inner narration quiets. The pattern breaks. And the moment consciousness is no longer trapped inside the loop, you begin taking your power back.